of my favorite things about Donald Trump is the fact that this man never learns from his mistakes. I mean, sometimes he does, I guess, right? I mean, he's surrounded himself in this administration with nothing but yes men and women. But one of his biggest mistakes he's ever made is just hiring the worst lawyers that God has ever seen. And he continues to do it to this very day. See, right now, as we all know, Donald Trump is suing Rupert Murdoch, News Corp, and the Wall Street Journal for publishing over the summer that letter that he wrote to Jeffrey Epstein for his birthday with that crude drawing on it. And Trump says, I don't do doodles. And then all of the other doodles, like over the years, were revealed. And it's like, no, you actually do this a lot. But he's suing them for defamation, billions of dollars. And his lawyer, Alejandro Brito, filed a motion with the court this week because the defense is obviously saying, listen, the House Democrats have now released the actual drawing, okay? Like, we have it. It's out there. Can we just get this thing dismissed so we can all move on? And Trump's brilliant lawyer filed a motion in court saying, Judge, whoa. Sure, the Democrats released the drawing, but how do we know that the drawing the Democrats released is the same one the Wall Street Journal was reporting on, huh? We don't know. Maybe, this is the argument the lawyer made, maybe Trump did multiple crude birthday drawings for Jeffrey Epstein. This is about the same as a defense lawyer going into court and saying, Your Honor, my client couldn't have murdered this person. They were busy killing this guy. Like, Donald Trump may have, according to his own lawyer, done crude birthday doodles for Jeffrey Epstein every year. So maybe the Democrats got a different one and the Wall Street Journal got a different one. And so it's not the same. So you can't assume that the one from the House committee is the same one the Wall Street Journal was reporting on. Oh, which, by the way, totally forgot, also doesn't exist. Yeah. He forgot about that while he's trying to argue that there's two possible drawings. Two drawings, but one's not real. Let me read this to you. We have to determine whether the letter is the same drawing allegedly heard about, seen, imagined, or otherwise conjured up by a reporter prior to the publication of the journal article that is the subject of this action is a classic factual dispute, and one that must be resolved through discovery, not presumption. Critically, no witness, author, or official custodian identifies the letter as originating from or corresponding to the article. The article itself does not state that defendants obtained the letter from a congressional source, nor does the congressional record state that its attachment was relied upon, quoted, or reviewed by that reporter. There is no attribution, no chain of custody, and no cross-referencing reference tying the two documents together. The two documents! Oh, man, you shouldn't have said that! You shouldn't have said two documents, because now you are referring to two things, one of which you're arguing is not real. Oh, God, I have never seen something so bad. I mean, if Trump wasn't a horrible human being, I would almost feel sorry for him for having a lawyer this incompetent. But that's one of the worst legal filings I've ever read in my life, and I've been reading legal filings for over 21 years. This is that bad, folks. It genuinely is. But let me go ahead and just totally dismantle his argument anyway. He's like, hey, they never said, the Wall Street Journal, that they got it from the congressional Democrats, because congressional Democrats didn't have it. Okay? Like, they got it from the Epstein estate a month or two. Like, I think at least 2 months, actually, after the Wall Street Journal reported it. So yeah, the Wall Street Journal didn't say they got it from there because they didn't get it from there. You see, like, well, these people got it months later, but the Wall Street Journal had it before, and I don't understand how to lawyer here. Yeah, you've lost your case, okay? You've lost. Give it up. I mean, honest to God, Donald, even if the Democrats hadn't released that Epstein doodle, with a lawyer this incompetent, you weren't going to win anyway. I mean, you weren't going to win anyway, even with a good lawyer, but come on, man, this is just comical at this point. But he's not going to drop the lawsuit because that would be an admission that, okay, yes, I did it. So hopefully, in the months to come, we're going to get a lot more legal filings from Mr. Brito here because these are absolute comedy gold. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. We got fresh content every day for you. And if you want to follow us across social media, make sure you check out all of the social links that we have posted in the description of this video.